Hello. Today we openly talk about gender diversity and the benefits that a diverse workforce can bring to any organizations. Although talking about it is a good start, it's not enough. We need to make big changes, and changes start with goals and actions. As the PwC Diversity Inclusion Leader for Southeastern Europe, I'm proud to say that we've come up with a comprehensive action plan and put together quite a lot of programs to improve our diversity. We have started educating our staff on the topic and designed some e-learnings. We have put together a mentoring program for our key female talents. We're listening to what our staff say, what their challenges are, by conducting a diversity inclusion surveys in our territories. We will also be forming focus groups to listen to the challenges faced by our younger generations and our working parents. And finally, we will be connecting to the local communities to listen to diversity issues faced by them. And so we also support our female-led businesses in our territories. I'm extremely proud of these programs that we're doing, and I believe they will help improve diversity at PwC. This year, for International Women's Day, PwC is promoting the theme, Break the Bias. So, in conclusion, I'd like to say to each of you, please consider the inherent biases we each have and start changing them. Because by making the change on a personal level, we make the most powerful change for everybody. Thank you.